As much progressive beef. Yeah. Me not tell no, that's why I like Mega Man cheap chef like say here, right? You understand? In a real life.
Shopping for a few items. For my location. Preparing ingredients. Lobsters or very fresh, right from the sea. Seasoning the lobsters. Please remember to subscribe, like, share. Seasoning the salmon as well. Seasoning the shrimps also. The fish is seasoned and ready to fry. Fry fish in hot oil. On both sides for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Getting the mac and cheese ready. This is going to taste amazing. Sprinkling the cheese on top of pasta. Oven is hot and ready. Bake until golden brown. Can get enough of the cheese. Extra cheese. Pan-seared salmon in coconut sauce. The salmon is already pan-seared. This sauce smells so amazing. Putting the salmon in sauce to cook. Simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. This going to be yummy. Yummy. Big mac and cheese ready. Oh my god, it's hot. So good. Well, golden brown. Oh gosh, it's hot. Please be careful when taking it out. This looks so good. Salmon simmering down. It's about ready now. Plating time. Sprinkling green onions and sliced lime for garnish. Ready to serve. We are ready to feast. All this food looks amazing. Drop a comment if you like what you see. For inquiries, send me an email. Oh my god, dinner is ready to serve. Please remember to subscribe. Seafood lovers, let me know if you like it. Best personal chef service in Jamaica. Book now. Let me know if you like this video. Would you want this service? Leave a comment below. This dinner for 8 was awesome. Remember, if you're ever staying at a villa, book me. It's time for the party to start.
We're gonna take a shot for Lady Ash, upcoming Earthstrong. 1, 2, 3.